Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to see street view in Google Maps. First of all, open Google Maps on your device. Now type the location you want uh, to explore in the search bar, like New York, and press enter. Now use the zoom feature to get as closer as possible to the location. Click on the layers option in the bottom left corner of the screen. From the list, click on traffic and click travel time and satellite. Then okay. Now you should see the area in street view mode, allowing you to explore in th- uh, th- uh, 360 degrees. Explore the world with Google Maps. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.